What is going on, guys? It is Fitz Miller and Emmy back here with another video. Today, Emmy is going to be driving the clapped Miata for the very first time. Emmy, have you ever ridden in this car, or I don't think you've even ridden in it, have you?
I think I did once.
Maybe long before the hood dump. Well, this afternoon, this evening, she is going to be driving this and experience the ultimate Miata right here. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. All right, Emmy, let's do a little walk around of this clapped Miata really fast. And all right, so what are your initial thoughts looking at this car?
Rust.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
Yeah.
What about the hood dump?
I want to make it shoot flames.
Yeah. I don't know if it's quite dark enough, but we might be able to get some out of it.
Teeny doesn't like it when we rev the car. So.
Yeah, Eunice does not really like loud cars.
It's not low, so I don't have to worry about like scraping.
Yeah, it's lower than you think, but it's not that low. Are you excited to drive it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. For reference, here's Emmy's Miata. This thing genuinely drives like a dream. Box here has not been gone through, I want to say ever. So it still turns on and runs and drives. That's our goal. Let's take it out. Do you want the top up or the top down?
Top down.
All right. This door doesn't open, but it does open from the inside. Oh my gosh, look, I can just, oh, it opened. Is this Uber?
Yeah.
You know, guys, what this car lacks in everything else, it makes up for in its door panels. And this wheel's like 200 bucks. Emmy, you ready?
Yeah, let me put down the imaginary e-brake and we'll be on our way.
It does, in fact, not work.
Crunchy.
This whole car is crunchy. That's how I would describe it.
Can we roll windows out?
They don't really come back up. And somehow, boys, we have the original Miata mats. So that's pretty sick, too. What? The transmission feels nice. It really does. The
transmission feels great. Why do I have to force? Thanks for hard.
What? Oh.
I probably look so dumb right now.
No, you're fine. Emmy was like,
you don't have a mirror!
I do not have a mirror. On that side, we have one on this side. The other one, that side, is in my garage.
I went to go look to see where the...
Just try not to dump it off the curb and we're good.
Which way do you want to go?
That way.
Okay.
Oh my God, Emmy's at like $4 grand in neutral right now.
I can't f***ing see.
We made it out of the driveway. All right. Oh my God.
Okay, your clutch is like really weird, actually.
It's not that bad.
It is.
I wish I had ear protection.
Yeah, your clutch is like way different.
Yeah, it's a lot more aggressive for some reason.
There's a lot of dip in here?
Yeah, you'll see when you try to move. It's either welded or, I don't know. It feels like it. You'll see what I mean.
Usually these have an open dip.
I know, but you try to take a turn too hard or go up. Yeah, maybe. It was like that. So, just immediate thoughts, making it up the street.
Loud as
Yeah, it is really loud. The interior is kind of nice, though, for real.
Yeah, comfy ride. The coilovers, whatever this is on, don't feel horrible. That guy's on a one wheel.
CX Racing. One wheel man. Yeah, CX Racing coils are pretty good, no?
Okay, for real though, the clutch in this car feels like really up. And like changing
It's an
gears,
aggressive clutch, man.
Changing gears is like, I don't know, it feels weird. That lady hates me.
Well, you just gunned it past her in the neighborhood.
I thought it was funny, but then she gave me a mean look.
I don't think she can appreciate this car like I can.
Hilarious. I like just pissing people off now.
See, it's kind of quiet. I hear it off the leaves above us right now. These poor people. Emmy, she covered her ears. Grandma covered her ears.
She literally literally was walking and stopped.
Poor grandma.
I actually kind of do feel bad.
You know you can just put it in neutral and coast. Right?
But why would I want to do that? My car isn't loud as anymore, so I think...
Your car is literally stock exhaust.
Yeah, so I think it's kind of funny to make people angry.
Yeah.
Can we go? We're gonna go through Starbucks drive-thru.
Yep. On the bright side, if you guys have not seen the last video of me cutting out the sway bar, it does in fact not make the weird noise anymore. So that's great. Rides like a dream. I swear. Shouldn't be that fun, right? But it is. Yeah. It's also like way too loud for my taste.
It's okay.
It's fun. Yeah, I usually wear ear protection in this. I just didn't.
Wear protection, kids.
Always wear ear protection when driving this car, or riding, or being anywhere near it. So Starbucks was closed. They've closed at the most, like the worst hours recently.
Yeah.
I went over one morning, it was 11 o'clock. Oh, closed.
Yeah.
4 in the afternoon, closed. 6 in the afternoon, closed.
They were closed one time.
Freaking ridiculous, man. Anyways, back to the house. What are some thoughts now that you've made it a little bit farther on our drive?
I don't like your clutch.
It releases a lot higher than most other ones.
Yeah, I don't like that.
And then it's very aggressive on top of that.
It's hard to like teeter-totter off of it.
Yeah,
like
it's either engaged or not engaged.
Yeah.
Suspension? Close, still nice.
Yeah, it feels okay. It doesn't drive horribly.
Feels like I need new trans and motor mounts, to be completely honest.
Yeah, your gears are like crunchy. I told you that off camera that it felt crunchy.
Crunchy gears? I think it's just a short shifter.
Hey, Bo. I don't know. I am not a car reviewer, so I don't know what to tell you other than this is a monstrosity.
Brakes work.
Yeah.
Pretty well. There's Goose Man over there.
Hey! Goose Man! I feel like your followers are gonna think I don't know how to drive stick.
No, this car's just whack. This car just takes a minute to get used to. Ryan and I both do this.
It feels like, I was telling Fitz, but he's never driven a car with hydraulic clutch. But if you have an older BMW, you can't like let it all the way out. You have to, it like engages weird. Yeah, that's how this feels.
The disengage is really weird.
Yeah, I do like your steering wheel though. This feels really nice.
You want to buy it? I'll trade you.
I am your girlfriend.
Rev it out a little bit. Just coasting or in neutral is really not that bad.
Your odometer doesn't work, or your speedometer doesn't work.
No, I'm working on that.
Oh, okay. Hovering on the gas to maintain speed.
If we had cruise control, this is what it would be like. It's not that bad.
Yeah, and then you have...
Yeah, I hear that off of every surrounding building,
It's
dude.
also like really bad because the windows are up, I feel like.
Yeah, just echoes around in here.
Yeah.
Blah. Do be testing out my brakes right now.
Yeah, a little bit.
They do work though.
Yeah, they do work. I was gonna downshift, but I didn't.
Thank you for not grenading my motor.
It just catches like oddly, and I don't want to piss the car off.
Damn. Damn.
It's okay.
I literally stalled it in the like second video I made of this. Yeah, I think so. They were chilling. Maybe it's us.
Ooh, I wouldn't be surprised.
We have returned
God!
We have returned safely back here to the hizzy.
Oh, the check engine light is on.
It's been on, Emmy. I don't have a cat.
Has it really?
Yes.
I took that bulb out of my car.
All right, Emmy, we're hopping out and we're gonna get your final thoughts.
Okay.
All right, Emmy, what are your final thoughts?
It's a fun little piece of shit.
It really is. Do you think it was worth what I paid for it?
No. But you did have some nice wheels on it, so those compensated nicely.
Yeah.
Didn't you sell them?
Yeah, I sold them.
Yeah. But
right.
it's fun. I don't mean that like it's a shitty car. It is a shitty car, but it's like a fun car to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get there. We'll make it nice. All right. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for having me. Thanks
to
for
this
letting me
episode
drive.
of Girlfriend Reacts to Miata. All right, guys, well, on a real note, thank you so much for watching. Let me know, would you drive this car? Would you buy this car? And I'll see you guys down in the comments. See you guys in the next video.